Go.
One day on the island of Soda, Victor and Stafford were talking. Just then, Spencer pulled in. "Hello, Stafford, let's go." But Stafford said, "Victor, tell him about batteries." "I know all about batteries, Stafford. I know all about them." "Goodbye, Victor," said Stafford. Soon Spencer was already rolling down the line. "Spencer, can you hear me, Spencer? Spencer!"
I know all about batteries.
I ran out of batteries. His driver walked out and attached the battery to the back. Soon Spencer was at the narrow gauge.
Hello, narrow gauge.
"Hello," said Scarlet.
Say hello, Stafford.
Spencer, are you missing something?
Whoa, bless me. I left him behind.
Soon Stafford was done charging.
What's
And
going
he's
on
dead.
now?
Spencer, I ran out of batteries, Spencer. Well, I'm ready to go now.
Come on. Hello, narrow gauge again. Stafford, say hello.
Hello, narrow gauge.
Next stop, Misty Island.
All right, Stafford. But Stafford was worried. "Oh no! This island I've heard is a very far distance away." Stafford was worried. Oh dear, Stafford. He was charging again. Spencer was soon at Misty Island.
Hello, Mr. Engines.
"Hello, Spencer."
Say hello, Stafford.
Spencer, said Dash. Are you missing something?"
Oh, bless me. Well, left them behind. Spencer went back down the rails.
Stafford was soon all charged up and ready to go. "Hello, what is the problem now?" Well, I'm ready now, Spencer. Now we can go.
Spencer rocketed down the line. You whoosh.
I can't see my face. And poof. But Stafford was worried. He went up to go to the narrow gauge, to the Misty Island.
Hello. Hello, Misty Island Engines. Say hello, Stafford.
Hello, Misty Island Engines.
Hello. Next. That's right.
Let's go. Thanks for watching our episode. I hope you enjoyed.